Hello everyone, welcome to Tisha's tutorial. So today I am here with the part 2 of chapter 2 of class 8 CBSE, that is Microorganisms, Strength or 4. I request you to watch the first part of this video to understand this video better. Microorganisms as a friend. Not all microorganisms are harmful to us. Microorganisms are useful to us in various ways. According to their uses, and to understand their uses and understand each of them in easier way, we have classified it into 4 categories. First one is commercial uses, which involves the use of microbes in various industries. Next is medicinal uses. Microbes are used to make various vaccines and various medicines. They are also used in agriculture as well as they contribute to environment as well. We'll see each of these in detail in our today's video. Let us first begin with the commercial uses. The first commercial use is making of curd and cheese. The protein called casein present in the milk coagulates to form curd or solidifies the milk to form curd. This is done using a bacteria called lactobacillus. But for casein to work upon the milk and coagulate it, it is necessary for milk to be more acid. And to make milk more acidic, the bacterium called lactobacillus, which is present in a spoonful of curd which we add to milk, converts lactose sugar in the milk, which makes it to lactic acid, making milk more acidic. As the milk has become more acidic, it will help casein to coagulate the milk. As casein coagulates the milk only in the acidic environment of milk. Now this is very important 1-mark definition for your exam point of view. The process of conversion of sugar into an acid or an alcohol by the action of organisms or microorganisms is called as fermentation. The lactobacillus helps in the fermentation. Even the production of cheese and paneer involves use of bacteria like lactobacillus streptococcus. Curd and cheese manufacturers not only uses bacteria but they also add a substance called rennet which is found in the stomach of young cattle. Addition of rennet results in the formation of lactic acid which makes the milk more acidic. Making alcoholic beverages. Here the process of fermentation is used to make alcoholic beverages like beer and wine. The sugar present in barley and grapes are fermented for many days and are crushed to make beer and wine. This is done with the help of microscopic fungus called yeast, which produces alcohol and carbon dioxide necessary for the formation of beer and wine. Making of bread also involves use of microbes. The process of making bread involves kneading of a mixture of flour, salt, sugar, yeast cells, water and dough. Yeast cells are ones which are responsible for fermentation. Yeast converts sugar to alcohol and carbon dioxide. As more and more carbon dioxide is produced, the dough increases in volume. This makes the bread more porous and spongy. You might have observed small pores on your bread. This is because more and more CO2 is produced. Baking the dough or baking the porous and spongy dough, that is an expanded dough, at 180 degrees Celsius kills the yeast and stops fermentation. Making of coffee, vinegar and tobacco also uses microbes. You must be shocked, right? That even your coffee contains microbes? Very strange, isn't it? Yes, but it does contain microbes. Bacteria are used in the production of vinegar. It is also used in production of tea, coffee and tobacco. Making of toothpaste also involves use of Shells of diatoms, which are type of an algae. These algae are found in colonies. They are used in making toothpaste to give it a gritty texture that helps us cleaning teeth. Xanthan gum, Xanthomonas campratus, is also used in making toothpaste. Medicinal uses. Microbes have various medicinal uses as well. 1. Making microbes. Certain bacteria and fungi are used in the production of medicines called antibiotics. For example, penicillin, which is obtained from penicillium, streptomycin and tetracycline. These are obtained from Streptomyces bacteria. They are also used to control diseases in animals as well as plants. Making of vaccine also involves use of microorganisms. Let us first see what is a vaccine. A vaccine is a preparation of killed or weakened disease-causing microbes. See, there are various microbes which enter your body and make you ill or gives rise to various diseases. In a vaccine, a disease-causing microbe, any microbe which causes disease, is killed, completely killed or weakened by various technologies, various methods in the laboratories. Now, when a disease-causing microbe enters our body, in reality, when any microbe enters your body or you get sick, how your body fights with that disease? What happens is the WBCs in our body, WBCs which are present inside our blood, produce antibodies. These antibodies are like soldiers. They fight against the diseases and destroy the disease-causing microbe, and they remain in the body to fight future infections. This is what vaccine does artificially. Vaccine is where the artificially any disease-causing microbe is injected inside your body. Your body generates antibodies and is perfectly ready to fight any future infections caused by the same microbe inside the vaccine. Making of food supplements also involves use of microbes. Microbes such as chlorella and spirulina, which are type of algae, are rich in protein and other nutrients and are used as food supplements. In human body, bacteria such as Lactobacillus, Acidophilus, Escherichia coli live inside human intestine. They help us to digest food and destroy any disease-causing microbes which must have entered our body by mistakenly with food. Environmental uses. Microbes are very important for our environment. Microbes such as bacteria and fungi act on the bodies of dead plants and animals and convert them into simple compounds. These substances are used by other plants and animals. Removal of dead bodies by the action of microbes keeps our planet clean. Microbes decompose the dead and decaying plant and animal matter, which keeps our planet clean and free from any bad fall caused by dead bodies of these plants and animals. Bacteria are also used in sewage treatment, where they help in decay of waste organic matter. I hope you must be clear with all the concepts up till now. Please do mention any doubts if you have in the comment section. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also like my Facebook page and follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description box.